everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a clean in my room video. It's probably going to involve like loads of time lapses, but it's also going to have like tips on how to like productively and quickly like clean out your room. Spring cleaning, 'cause it's actually spring and at the moment it's so sunny. Like, also I'm going to do a quick like before and after what my room looks like. Let's get on with the video. So the first thing that we are going to be cleaning is the bed. Gonna be cleaning my desk and my bedside cabinets in, and then try and put as much away from there as possible so that my room looks like sleeker and overall nicer. So I just put away all my clothes off of my desk and I've like made a washing up pile. Then, because my desk is like mostly clear, I'm going to like try and clean it off because there always is so much pen on my desk. So I'll see you when I've done that. So I couldn't find my duster, so tissue is the next best thing. All I need on my desk is my computer, which I can like easily move, water, alarm, phone and light. Then it's like really sleek and yeah. Honestly, on this like thing I have so much random crap that I do not need. Like I have 8 body sprays and like perfumey things on this one thing, so I'm gonna put like most of them away. Some on my windowsill as well. So instead of having 2 hand creams out, I'm literally just gonna have 1. But I'm gonna have this one out even though it's bigger, just because it looks nicer and it goes in my room more. And out of my pen pot, actually I'm gonna rub off where it says pens because that's like really dirty now. And I've taken out all the weird pens, like the black pens, which is boring and don't go in my room. So I'm just gonna put 1 new black pen in it and the rest can go in my desk. Yeah, there it says pens. Dust out with the same tissue so we can be environmentally friendly, because that is actually so nice now and like it just looks brand new. So I've also got all these things that I don't actually need out, so I'm just gonna like take it all off, dust this again and rearrange everything. Honestly, the amount of dust that I had on that thing was actually so bad, so I just like wiped it all and I've still got like all of that on my fingers. Like that is a problem. Now I've got the floor to tackle. Most of the stuff is like my school, so I've got like all my books and everything. So I'm just going to take out all of my books and put them in my school book drawer. I'm just going to put all this stuff away because most of it belongs in the bathroom and that's just boring. So here I have all my makeup stuff, which is actually so messy. Also these and this spray can go in there. The lip balms can stay out. And then those brushes don't fit, so I'm going to get a new brush thingy bag. So this is my like stationery drawer, but as you can definitely tell, it is very messy. So I'm just gonna like put this all in order, and I'm gonna start with the pen. You can put that in the bin. Then I'm going to put these in colour order. Then my revision cards can just stay at the back, and my pencils can also stay at the back. Scissors can just go there, and then like that and that can go there because they're like a neat thing. Then my money. So this is literally the weirdest angle, and I really don't know why I'm sitting here as well. But this is a very like overwhelming drawer, and it hurts my eyes to look at because there's so many like bright colours of pink, etc. I think I'm just going to take all of this out and put like everything back in. It is like this drawer, it's very, very full. And I'm literally not going to sort it out because I always try to, but then I never actually throw anything away. It's just like an empty thing now, but I think I'm going to put like moisturisers and hand creams in this one thing just because I think it will just be nicer. And then because I have some more room, I'm going to put my face masks and like that kind of stuff in here as well. But I'm not going to zip it up because then it will like encourage me to use it a bit more. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I've actually found this so satisfying because my room is just so clean. And it didn't take me that long, to be fair. And I like properly sorted out all of my clothes. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And comment down below if you also found this satisfying, because I honestly did. Also subscribe if you're new. See you in a bit. Bye.